Hi, welcome to this week's portfolio update. So, Thursday and Friday market went high, and that's the reason I reached 9K for the first time. The all time right now it's 2.04 percentage negative. We go to last week, you see net cash flow is $385 I invested. Market gain is 229.83 negative. That's why 0.91 percentage on the downside last week. If you go to last week's activities, January 16th, there was a morning trade happened for 152.24. So if you go to Costco, we received a dividend of 2.25. We reinvested, tripped into Costco itself. On top of that, invested on JP $74, JPQ again $75, and Disney is our long term $1.99. Then another $120 were deposited. Out of that, morning trading JPY $29 and JPQ $29. And as our loan amount is now less, I thought to invest more into our good debt. So we'll see. Like CRF invested 10.79, APLY 12.98, Disney $2, and AGNC 6.2. Next one again, I deposited another $40. Out of that, $30 were invested. CRF 3.57, AGNC 3.77, APLY 2.66, JP and JPQ. And after that, another $150 were deposited. And Friday again, $113 invested. AGNC 12.57, Disney 1.99, CRF, JPQ, JPI, APLY. So this would be our common shares until I receive financial independence on home improvement. I'll keep on investing in GPQ and GPY. So both will be shared across like $37 and $37, whatever we invest. And an update like on Thursday and Friday, I got a huge loss on option, so I may not be able to invest much more money into this one until I recover from my options trading. Still, all the dividends will be reinvested, so hopefully I can recover soon and will keep investing more into this long-term share. So mostly I prefer the negative side on the bear. However, for Thursday and Friday, market went so high that I lost almost all my capital that I borrowed. So we'll see. It's a different track. I'll update it once I get comfortable in doing the details. Until then, this one will be my main one. So if you go to the portfolio once more, you will see the margin good that right now I invested around our portfolio is 181.61. On home improvement, almost I invested 511.49. The major hit happened on liability, so $2,000 was the initial investment, and Tesla almost broke down $200. So our average price is 236. So $1,000 now it became 898. And TSLY, after investing all the dripping all the 4 months dividend, still trails to 862. I feel like once Tesla go down more, maybe TSLY will be a good bet. So that's our long term experiment. So we'll see. Going to our holdings tab, sort with unrealized gain. Costco, it again increases like a 52-week high, it almost reaches the top. So our average price is 533. If you see Costco right now, 694. I think it hit $700 on the way. or may not be. Yeah, but 697, 694. It's the top price for Costco. Let's see the 1 month. No, 694. That's a top price, closing top price for Costco. So almost all the shares are right now on the 52-week high. If I sort it again, Costco, then QILD, and AGNC is the top three best performing shares. So AGNC almost had 20 percentage gain. Right now it went back because I invested more amount, so the average came down. Average cost went up. That's the reason now it's showing only 7.63%. If you see the average price is 9.1. And the worst performing three shares, TSLY, as Tesla drops, TSLY will be dropping more. So TSLY is still, and its percentage increase. So previously it was around 22 percentage. Now it's 24.6 percentage. Right now I stopped investing in TSLY. Only the dividends will be reinvested. And TLTW still there, 19.81. This one also I planning to do invest only the dividend whatever I received from TLTW. Tesla now came to the picture of the trailing ones. Previously it was good, so right now this week we have Tesla earnings, so we'll think like if Tesla earnings is better, maybe Tesla will go back to the $1,000 or the average price or more than that. Or if the earnings is bad, it will be a huge dip, maybe a buying opportunity for Tesla. Going to the loan amount that I borrowed, right now I almost repaid all the amount. So right now my amount borrowed amount is only 888 888 $888.27. If you see the paid amount, last week I paid around, so previous week I almost paid $150, then $30 last week, $10 and $37. So now I reduce the pace. Why? Because my plan is like out of the entire portfolio, if the loan amount is less than 10%, I would like to keep that amount. The base rate is 8.75. I don't know whether I can negotiate to reduce the base rate. So if base rate, I can talk to the customer care. So even it's 8.75, I'll try to keep it 10 percentage, and so that I'll keep more investing more into the margin good debt, and the dividends earned would be more than 8.75. So it should be more than 12 percentage, so that even if I pay the tax for that like 30 percentage, I can have some amount. So once the portfolio increase, the 10 percentage margin will be huge. So right now it's around 9k portfolio. So I'll think about it. I'll close slowly, but maybe 5 to 10 percentage. So if it's less than 9%, I'll again borrow some amount. So I'll try to manage through that one. That's update on my borrowed amount. Costco declared their dividend. They had to increase the dividend from last quarter 1.02. That will be paid on February 16th. The next quarter they will increase the dividend. We'll wait for how much they will increase. Let's go to the financial independence calculation sheet. 5 date right now it's April 11, 2185. So last week I saved $2. I invested more, but however the dividend average dividend calculation reduced. That's the reason now monthly dividend it increased slightly by $1 to 11.16, or the saved time is only 2 days. And fire dividend I'll receive at that month would be 672k. Fire age is still 200, so there's no difference in that one. Right now the monthly target is 5317.77. Going to each pie, if you see the Verizon mobile subscription, I was expecting $35. So last week it was around 43. Now with the average calculation, it went down to $39, 39.88. Netflix it's still it's more than expected, $15. It's 35.15. Xfinity $18. It's 25.0509. Costco, $5, 6.76 I have. Costco is now contributing 0.06 per month. Car wash, it's $10, it's 11.67. Regal subscription, 23.67. It's almost on the par, it's 24.76. So if SPL reduce their dividends next month, maybe we have to invest more into SPL. Liability, there's no expectation, so 59.65 is expected next month. Long-term dividend, Disney, it's contributing 0.02. Home improvement, this is the new pie that I started, so the monthly target is $25 for home improvement to make it financially independent. Right now with JEPQ and JEPY average calculation it's 5.58, but with last month's trailing it's around 7.67. So there's a gap in the side which provides the average dividend. Margin good that this is where like 888 is now our loan amount. Our we invested 175 around $175. So I'll keep on adding to this margin good that until it reaches 888 or under the loan amount. Then we'll see like whatever is the loan amount and whatever is the dividend we are receiving. Maybe the last week dividend. If it's more than if it's more than and if it is more than 30 percentage of whatever amount, we'll keep the margin good debt or we'll scrap it or maybe add a different share to this one. So that's it for the week. Thank you.